I'm taking this video from inside because if I go out there right now, they'll think that I've got a treat for them and they'll all run away from this spot, but this is what my chickens do for me. They're my little tillers. And they spread, there's enough like brown matter in there that their chicken poops actually mixing with it, the little bit that they'll poop there ends up just being the perfect fertilizer for the garden. So this all has food in it in the summer everywhere you're looking, so grow girls go. And then they're doing it there too, so they're all here. So there's Big Smokey protecting the girls, and I threw a bunch of leaves in there, leaves in the fall, and now that the ground's nice and getting warm, they're just scratching away, pooping away, mixing all the leaves around. Hopefully finding some grubs and some nasty bugs, larvae too. So thank you, girls. Oh, the Punisher. Yeah, scratch away, girls. Scratch, poop, mix up that garden for me. Love ya. Later, dudes.